This is for a subscriber who goes by the handle at droplove_. I saw your comment about ToneBoosters Real Bus. It seems to me that you figured out how to get the legacy pack, the version 3 legacy pack, which I'm pretty sure you can get from a number of places. But the V4 plugins that you can get, maybe it's not quite so obvious. Anyway, I retraced my steps. I just went to Brave Browser, typed in install ToneBoosters free V4. I got the AI generated response. ToneBoosters V4 plugins are not free. They are paid software that require a license purchase to activate, though free demos are available for all V4 plugins with no time limits. Saving settings is disabled in demo mode. Not only that, it varies from plugin to plugin. One reason I don't use the V4 Real Bus is because it's not only... Okay, well, you can't save presets. Some of them will remember your settings from session to session. Real Bus V4 will not. So you have to go back in. If you've tweaked, like let's say you loaded a preset and then you tweaked it a bit, every time you open a session, you have to go back and retweak it the way you tweaked it before. So for that and a handful of other reasons, I prefer Real Bus V3. Anyway, this is what you want. I'm pretty sure this is the right way to go. Scrolling down here, and this link right here, ToneBoosters audio plugins changelog. So you click on that, and the URL is toneboosters.com/changelog.html. And the most recent installer is dated January 10th of this year. And I'm 99.9% positive that if you download this and install it, you'll get the version 4 demo suite. So, yeah, it's OS X, Windows, and Linux. I have a Linux machine, and I've also successfully installed them on Ubuntu Studio, and they've performed well in Ardor. That's my bug out DAW. It works, man. It's a like a 2014, maybe even earlier, Samsung laptop that I rummaged out of a refuse pile, and you know it's only got 8 gigs of RAM, I think, but it hobbles along. It works. Okay, so I don't know if you're on Mac or Windows or Linux, but there are your options. And the V4 pack has some interesting items in it. V3 Legacy Pack has a couple of things that V4 doesn't. One of which comes to mind is, I think, like module. Is it module? It's a what do you call it? Ping. It's a modulation plugin that I think is absent from V4. V4 has some bells and whistles in it, though, that I've used from time to time. It has a very good compressor with like a real-time waveform biofeedback readout thingy where you can actually see what the compressor is doing in real time. Pretty cool. I'm more of a old school kind of Varimu Opto occasional 76 kind of guy for the most part. But anyway, let me know if this works for you. I'm a big fan of ToneBoosters. They're fantastic, and the demos are just demos. But my go-to limiter is still ToneBoosters Barricade V4. And the only hitch with it is every time I call up the instance, I have to click on I just have to click a little button. It's a little nag button. It's no big deal. Okay, anyway, thank you for subscribing and being so kind as to leave your feedback and your comments. I really do appreciate it. And I hope this video finds you well. See you back in the comments. Over and out.